G'day, I'm Nick. And in the next 22 hours, I'm going to be taking the longest flight in the world. A journey of 16,983 kilometers from Sydney to London. I've got my London cheer and I've got a flight to catch. Sunset is amazing. Yeah, it's going quite well so far. This flight's going to be pretty relaxing. Really nice. Today I'm in a Qantas A380 and yeah, it's gonna stop an hour and a half in Singapore and then it'll keep going to London. It's going to be a long night. I've been flying for about 2 hours now. At the moment I'm just found the nice little lounge area where you can just sit and relax, and that's what I've been doing. Watched a few movies, had dinner, and it's nice, it's going well. So it is 11:23 Australian time, and yeah, this plane doesn't have any maps, so I think that we're halfway between Java, the island, and Singapore, southern Sumatra somewhere, I reckon. This is a long flight, and this is only the first leg. Jeez. I won't talk to the camera until Singapore. Oh, but this lounge space is so nice. I've just been chilling here for so long. It's short. Yeah, bye. See you in Singapore. have arrived at Changi Airport. We've just left Singapore. 14 more hours to go to London. Almost there. So long, and at the moment we're flying over Oman. That's another 7 hours. Abu Dhabi, capital of the UAE. I had to visit it sometime. Beach down there. It's nice, isn't it? Huge. We've got the mood. Crescent mood. That is the city of Basra in southern Iraq. Oil fields. The sun has come up over Iraq or Syria or Turkey. And yeah, 5 more hours, and then we've made it. So close. The sun has risen and we're somewhere over Eastern Europe. This flight has had its ups and downs. Like, it's been so long, but yeah, good shows, and I slept for a bit, which is great.